Hey there, my name is Casey Stubbs, and today I'm going to teach you how to day trade the Forex market. Now, the first thing I wanted to break down here is day trading. Day trading is when you open and close a trade in the same time. You know, you close all your trades before the end of the day. That's day trading versus swing trading, where swing trading you might hold trades open for a few days or a week even. But day trading is when you're flat at the end of the day. One of the reasons why traders like to day trade is because they don't have overnight risk. You know, they don't have to go to bed and worry about some crazy event happening in the market because they don't have any risk. It helps traders sleep at night and they can trade, focus on the charts, be done, and then do the rest of their day. So there's a lot of advantages for day trading. However, there's also some disadvantages. I would say that day traders generally don't make as much money as perhaps long-term traders or swing traders or investors, but you can still make a great amount of money on day trading. So I'm going to share with you my Forex day trading strategy, and I day trade Forex, I day trade stocks, I day trade crypto, but this one is specifically geared towards Forex for currency trading. So let's go ahead and get started, and let me share with you how I do this. So the first thing I want you to note is that I have an RSI on the chart. I have a MACD on the chart, and then I have a 10 EMA, okay? So that's pretty simple, 3 basic indicators. And I'll do a little bit of analysis on a higher time frame, nothing major. So let's go ahead now, let's look at daily. So I am noticing that up here we're up against some resistance areas. We have some topping tails, and we're also in a range. Okay, we're in a range. So I am going to note that price is inside a range on a daily. So this is a daily time frame, and we're inside. We are inside of this range. Okay, that's what I'm going to note. So with that being said, sometimes when you're day trading, you could catch a trend, you could range trade, you could catch reversals. There's a lot of different ways. And so right now we're inside of a range, so I'm just going to be focusing on scalping, right? So we're going to scalp. So now we go back down. I've got my levels marked, and I'm going to just be going with the 1-minute trends. And so anything that's above the 10 EMA is an 1-minute uptrend. So that's the first thing you want to know. Anything above the 10 EMA, exponential moving average, is an uptrend. Anything below is a downtrend. And so these particular moves, you know, it's a 1-minute chart, so they're not huge, but you got to remember, if you do this multiple times in a day or even once or twice at a really nice trade size, you can do really well. So right here is a great example of a trend trade on a 1-minute chart. So let's take a look at it. We know that when price moves below, so we have that, step 1, price moving below, what are we looking for? Well, we're looking for a short. We're going the downtrend. You see the RSI is moving lower, the MACD is moving lower. We have a trend line break right here. And so at this point, I'm going to take a sell right there, put my stop loss there. Okay, and so you can see how well this trade reacted. It continued moving down right there, and that it was a huge move. That's a huge move. Now, if we look at it on a 1-minute chart, it's pretty big, but the price was actually, let's take a look at it here. This price was right here, 10365, and price moved down to 1030. So that's a nice move from 65 to 30. That's about a 30-pip move. Okay, and so in a day trading strategy, we can easily trade that. Some other things that we can do here is we can go like short on all the bounces, right? Short all of these bounces as the trend is moving down. So there's multiple opportunities to either A, add to the trade, or B, get in and out. So one of the ways of day trading is to scalp. Another is just to try to catch one or two nice moves, right? So it depends on what you're trying to do as a trader, what you're trying to accomplish, your personality. Do you want to just go in and out all day, or do you want to catch one trade? Me personally, I do both. Some days I'll go in and I'll just hit a bunch of trades. I'll trade here, close it, trade here, close it, trade here, close it, trade here, and just do this all afternoon. Other times I want to do what I call a one and done. I'll take my one trade and I'll try to write it down as much. Okay, I got my one and I'm done. I'm out, right? So it's really up to you. Now, another thing that I want to really emphasize here, especially on a 1 minute chart, is that a lot of these candles will retrace. Okay, so right here you have the break, but you see the candle retraced up, and there's an opportunity for a trade. So a lot of times you can even just buy and sell these on a retrace. So example, you short right here and it retraces down, right? You see how this candle goes down and then it bounces up. You can sell right there on the retrace and it bounces right down. Here it comes back up and then goes right back down. Again, here it comes up and right back down. There's lots of retracing happening on a 1 minute time frame. A lot of these candles will pop back up and hit new levels, pop back up and hit new levels. And now this trading is fractal. It happens on any types of time frame. It happens on a 1 hour, 2 hour, daily, whatever. All those same thing happen. But it really gives you a great way to practice day trading on a lower time frame. Practice your scalping on a lower time frame. And ultimately, this is the most important thing right here, and that is risk management. You know, my friend Patrick Reed, who is a hedge fund institutional trader, Patrick Reed said that 65% is risk management. So if you learn risk management, you're 65% of the way. So if you can control your risk, you can apply any kind of strategy, right? So that's the first thing you want to work on, is make sure you know how much you're willing to risk. Don't blow your account. Keep your losses small and try to make your winners big. And even if you're just taking scalps and you're making $10, $10, $10, whatever, but just remember to get out when you're down 20, because you could win 20 trades in a row, make $10, that's $200. But then when you have a trade that's down 20 bucks, just close it. Close your winners or close your losers fast. That's a big, big, big thing. And, you know, I learned this scalping edition of my strategy from my dad. He'll close trades for 10, 20, 10, 20, and he'll just do that all day long, and it adds up, and he's like, yeah, I just made $1,000 today. It's like, what? Because it just adds up. It's nickel and diming, and it takes some time, it takes some patience, and it's not for everyone, right? It's not for everyone. Now, again, we're talking about Forex day trading here, so one thing you can do on a Forex day trade is you can also use 15-minute charts. You don't have to use the 1 minute. You can also day trade Forex on 15-minute charts. Today was kind of a sideways market, so scalping actually helps that. But there's still some pretty decent moves. It's the same kind of thing. It's fractal. So all I changed was the time frame from 15 to 1, right? So now you can see we have a break up, trend line break, moving average. We get in. Pretty nice trade, right? Pretty nice trade. We get in right here. Nice move. And so here's another one right here. Get in, stop loss, decent move. So that is basically how to day trade the Forex. Hopefully this will help you. Hopefully there were some really big nuggets in there. Now, let me know in the comments if you have any specific questions. And I am going to announce that I'm going to be day trading the Forex market live. I'm launching a new show very soon. And the fun thing is that it's going to be live. I'm going to be trading live. And I'm also going to be doing it on a $1 million account, which I don't think anyone else is doing live. So let me know if that sounds interesting to you. If I get a lot of interest, I'm going to launch it very soon. I'm really excited about it because people will be able to see someone make money live. All right, well, that's it for this video, but thank you, and we'll talk to you next time.